Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आज के वीडियो में I'm going to talk about Yara Candy by Latafa and this perfume is the latest launch from their Yara series. This is the fourth perfume from the Yara series. I have the first and the second release from Yara, but I don't have the Yara Moa, the one that comes in the white bottle. I don't have that, and this is the fourth release and this is Candy, so I definitely wanted to give this one a try. So I got it from Sentopiaperfumes.com and I got it at a good deal. So I'm going to leave the link, and also I have like a 5% coupon code for you guys that you can use on a prepaid order of 2000. It's non-affiliated, I'm not earning a penny out of it, and Sentopia Perfumes has extremely good customer service, so I highly recommend you to get your bottle also from there. Alright, so let's begin with the review. I am so happy and pumped up to be doing this review because this is very my kind of a fragrance. So let's begin. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Quickly talking about the packaging, this one comes in the typical Yara box, which is like a combination of white and some textured pattern, and so is this one. It comes in a very beautiful kind of like a Barbie pink and white combination with textures of leaves and flowers made all over it, and Latafa written right here, Yara written behind with a quality assurance sticker. And overall the box is not very hard, it is kind of flimsy and kind of not very, not very kadak kind of, and this is how the bottle sits inside. It just looks like a Barbie land, isn't it? Everything is super pink and doll like here, and so is the bottle. This literally looks like a Barbie perfume to me, something that Barbie would wear. Just the whole vibe of this is very doll like, very girly feminine, so kind of screams what this perfume is also all about, which I'll talk to you about notes. But this is how the bottle looks like, a very gorgeous pink and golden combination, a very again a very Barbie like, and Yara written right here, and the atomizer is golden. Overall quite a pretty fragrance, and I think this part of the perfume you can actually pull this down and remove it. I don't really care about it, I don't really mind of this being here. Many people pull it down and they are like, now the bottle looks better. I don't have that kind of specs ki I don't want to be fussy about the bottle and all. I kind of like it the way it is. So this is the bottle, and now I'm going to talk about the fragrance notes. This one opens up with blackcurrant and green tangerine, middle notes of strawberry fizz, candy and gardenia, base notes of vanilla, amber, sandalwood and musk. So this one is kind of like a sweet, fruity, vanillic, powdery sort of a fragrance. That's like the perfume family that it belongs to. Now you can see the opening. It opens up with blackcurrant and green tangerine, a very nice khatta meetha combination, if I may say so. Exactly yahi word मेरे दिमाग में आया था the moment I sprayed this, and I was like, कितनी खट्टी मीठी टैंजी सी फील है इसकी, जैसे एक कैंडी को खाने के बाद एक ऐसा फील आता है ना. This just has that feel to it, and this is what this perfume is about. It just has that tanginess to it. It's a very juicy, delicious, mouth-watering kind of a candy feel. Okay, so yeah, the opening is very khatta meetha, if I may say so. A perfect balance of sweet and sour with those fruity notes. Then immediately it goes into this strawberry, fizzy, candy, creamy like fragrance, and of course it's mixed in with gardenia. Now, the gardenia in this perfume kind of brings it a lot of brightness. एक happy feel आता है इस fragrance का, एक बहुत ही lively feel आता है. It just kind of reminds you of what this bottle looks like. So that fizziness of that strawberry, that appy fizziness that you get, that strawberry mixed with sugar, and that you're eating that strawberry fizzy candy with fizziness in your mouth, and the feel of fizziness on your tongue, and that pink color in your mouth. It just kind of has that juicy feel and that sweet feel, but it does have a creaminess also to it. The vanilla, amber, woodiness and musk brings in that sweetness and powdery feel in this, like a powdered sugar mixed with creaminess of vanilla, or vanilla ice cream mixed with strawberry. This just has that kind of a candy feel to it. Imagine it this way, आपने glass में थोड़ा सा vanilla का scoop लिया है, ice cream scoop. You've put in some vanilla essence also. You've added the strawberry candies. You've added the sugar. You've added a little bit of this blackcurrant and some berries in it, and you've just created a smoothie out of it. This is that kind of a fragrance. It is kind of candy-like, but it also has a distinct creaminess to it. Now, I of course have the OG Yara, and what I like about, what is common between these two is that strawberry creaminess. That strawberry creaminess is present in Yara as well as this, but I will say that Yara candy is more enhanced in terms of sweetness. It is more enhanced in terms of juiciness. This one is more creamy, it's more kind of milky, kind of creamy, and this focuses more on the pink berries, or more like a strawberry milkshake. This one is more of a mixed fruit vanillic ice cream candy-like shake. So it does have the creaminess. It's not like candy, but the creaminess is more in original Yara, less in this, but this is more fruity, zesty, and more enhanced in terms of that, candy-like feel. I honestly am happy to have both, but I'm thinking that once I am over with the OG Yara, I may actually only continue with this one rather than repurchasing this one. I still am confused, you guys. I may change my mind at any point of time. That's the whole thing with perfumes. But out of the two, at the moment, I am loving this one slight bit more. Now, coming to the occasion, I'm wearing this every single day. Like, I'm going to office and I'm spraying through and through, and literally every day I'm wearing and reaching out to this fragrance. This is such a non-offensive fragrance, such a feminine, girly fragrance. It kind of has a very cute feel to it. It has a very kind of young vibe to it. So I'm kind of enjoying that energy in me, and I'm enjoying this on every single day. And in office I'm wearing, evening times I'm wearing, and at night times it's a little more fresh and frizzy to be worn. So I'm not considering this as a date night kind of a fragrance, but this is perfect daytime fragrance. Office, college, formal, informal, casual, meeting friends kind of a fragrance. You can just rock this at any time of the day, any season. Is it a juvenile fragrance because it looks very pinky? It's not actually. I'm enjoying this fragrance. This is the kind of fragrance that anybody from 20 plus can rock. Even when you're going to college, you can actually wear this one. It's quite non-offensive and quite bubbly, fizzy, airy, sweet, juicy sort of a fragrance. So the scent profile is just non-serious, if I may say so. So yeah, you can just rock this anywhere, anytime, and it just has a very nice, good vibe to it. Yeah, it has a good vibe to it. Longevity, I get around 5 to 6 hours. I do like to refresh this after 3 to 4 hours to kind of like build up the fragrance. So Yara in general, Latafa ka jo Yara series hai, it is not the most best performing. It's not the long lasting fragrances, but it's just that the feel of the fragrances is very nice, and I don't really mind reaching out to this fragrance and refreshing it after 3-4 hours. So I will recommend you also to do so. This one, according to me, is not a long lasting fragrance. 5 to 6 hours is the max that you will get. Then coming to Projection and Sillage, both are again moderate. It is not an offensive fragrance, creates a decent scent bubble around me, but does not choke anybody to death. This is the kind of fragrance which is light, airy, breezy, and something that is more good for everyday basis rather than special occasions. So it's not like a huge performer, but it's kind of like a decent one. So this one is priced for 2,500 for 100 ml. From Scentopia, you can use my coupon code to get some discount, and I think it's not priced at 2,500 on their website. Like, they've already given it on some discount, I feel like. So overall, for the price, I think this fragrance is worth the money. So my overall rating for this particular one is 9.5 out of 10. For the price, I think this is pretty good. This is a girly girl's fragrance, and this is a good gifting fragrance for somebody who's very feminine. Also a very non-offensive fragrance for gifting purposes, so that way I really like it. Overall, one of the best casual fruity fragrances in the market currently. So yeah, that brings us to the end of the video. That was my review for Yara Candy, and I'm looking forward for many more Latafa fragrances. Latafa is just rocking. Even Fragrance World, all these Arabic brands are just rocking. They're coming up with amazing fragrances, and literally from my wish list, I have removed all the designer fragrances because I feel that these are enough for me. Let me know your thoughts about Arabic fragrances and Yara Candy if you have in the comment section. Let's make that area chatty. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, do subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.